joining me again. Today I am doing one on a 12 by 16 gallery wrapped canvas by Artist Loft. I made sure that I leveled it all the way around, so I don't want my painting to get all messed up. So the colors that I'm using this time are Titanium White by Master's Touch, Extreme Glitter Jellybean Pink by FolkArt, Robin's Egg Blue by DecoArt. This is a patio paint. Vibrant Violet by Delta Ceramcoat. It's a satin color. Fuchsia by Delta Ceramcoat. Navy Blue by Delta Ceramcoat Satin also. Apparently I'm using a lot of Delta Ceramcoat today. And finally, Pearl Purple by Master's Touch. When I was picking out my canvas, I decided that I wanted to do a Y-shaped. So that's what I'm going to do today. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and flood my canvas, so I'll be right back. Alright, that's all covered and the air bubbles are all popped. So let's lay the paint down. I just mixed this paint up, so it's going to be pretty bubbly. So I'm going to have to make sure I torch really well to get that all taken care of. Getting close to Thanksgiving time. I'm looking forward to that. I have some friends that I'm going to go visit for Thanksgiving. So that'll be a lot of fun. Now we shall torch the bubbles again. Alright, I think I'm going to blow this straight up. Before I was thinking about doing it this way, but I think I'd rather go straight up first. Alright, so that's what we'll do. Alright, well that is very interesting. I could tell as soon as I started blowing here, there was not enough base over on this side. I could see the canvas before, and so that's why I added some more of the base to it, but apparently I still did not get enough on there because it just did not blow out. And it didn't matter how much I was trying. It says interesting down here. I couldn't get the color to come forward anymore. I mean, there's some blues and it looks like purples in here now. I love this part. That's just so rich. And actually, this blue is so deep and so rich. I was debating on if I was going to add that dark of a blue. I was thinking, well, maybe I would add a lighter blue, but then I decided that the contrast would probably be a lot better with that shade, and I'm really, really glad that I chose to go with that one. It's really pretty. I like it. Alright, I'm going to touch up my edges, I guess. I wish I could do something with this, but I don't know what I would be able to do since it wasn't moving. I mean, I can try blowing it with my mouth, but I'm not sure that that's really going to help. So let me try that real quick and see if it does anything. No, it's just not moving whatsoever. So, but while I was down there, I did notice a little fuzzy in there. Alright. thing is, the picture does not have to be exactly the same everywhere. And so, you know, this little part and this little part just gives it a little bit more character. I like it. It really is sparkly. So, it's really cool. Okay. I'm gonna go touch up my edges and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. So here it is. I love the colors. Let me turn it this way real quick so it'll give you a better view. Love the colors. I think they work really, really well together. And see, you can already see the sparkle that's in it. Okay, come on, camera, focus. Don't know why it's not focusing. Such beautiful cells. And they're all so sparkly. I love this part because actually there's a lot of, at first it looked like it was just kind of all one color and kind of you know, alright, but actually it's got the colors just interspersed throughout it, and so it's really, really pretty. And then you have this. There's such a depth and a richness to these colors. I think they really blend well together. It's a very pretty color palette. And see, here's this, where the purple and the blue just kind of faintly show up there. But I think that's kind of cool, actually. So, alright, let me shut off the overhead lights and give you a better look of it. Alright, here we go. So you can see how the light's just playing off of that. That Master's Touch pearl really, really has shine to it. It's definitely a good color to get. And the thing is, it shows up even when when I'm trying to take just regular pictures. A lot of times I have a hard time getting the colors to show up, well, the shine on the colors to show up. But that one, I don't have hardly any problem at all. I mean, look, you can see it right there. It's just so beautiful. I like how this pink just kind of weaves its way through in a lot of the different spots. It's really neat that way. Oh, so much shine to this. Sparkle. I love the sparkle. Look at that. Oh, so, so pretty. Alright, well, let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think of these colors together? Do you like the way it was blown out in the Y? Is there some other way that you think I should try? If you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would do so. To my subscribers out there, thank you so much for supporting me. And if you like this, please hit the like button. Alright, that's all for now. Bye!